Okay, we'll start here by loading the speed loader, and I use 100 grains of 777, so that's 2 pellets. So you pop open the speed loader and you can put, there's a compartment for the 2 pellets, and then these are shotgun primers, shot shell primers, 209 primers, and there's another compartment for the primer. And finally, I use a 250 grain TC Shockwave with sabot or sable, whatever you want to call it, and that goes into the last compartment in the speed loader, just like that. And now loading the muzzle loader. So I get out the speed loader, and the first thing you do is I drop in the 100 grains of powder, and I put my finger over the primer so the primer doesn't fall out, and then I cap it, and then I push in the bullet. The speed loader has a bullet starter, and then I get this ramrod extension, and it can also be used as a bullet starter to start the bullet. And then I use my ramrod with a little ball at the end, so it's easier to push the bullet in. And then you gotta mark the ramrod for your seating depth so you know exactly how far to push it in. And then finally, you insert the primer into the breech plug end, and that's it. You're ready to go. In one pile over here. I'm gonna shoot.